There are YouTube channels making over $3,000 a month, and you will never see the face of the person behind them. No camera, no studio, no personal brand, just AI tools, a smart strategy, and consistency. Channels like Malva AI and AI Pipeline are pulling hundreds of thousands of views every month completely faceless, almost entirely automated. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this model works, how much you can realistically earn, what tools you need, and the step-by-step strategy to build your own faceless AI YouTube channel from scratch in 2026. Let's get into it. A faceless YouTube channel is a channel where the creator never appears on camera. Content is delivered through voiceovers, AI-generated visuals, stock footage, or screen recordings. You've probably watched dozens of these without realizing it. Channels like Malva AI and AI Pipeline fast-paced AI tool tutorials with professional voiceovers and zero face time. These are faceless channels. In 2026, with the AI tools available today, building one has never been more accessible. No camera, no lighting, no on-screen confidence required, just a niche, a strategy, and the right tools, all of which I'm covering right now. Let's talk money, and I'm going to be straight with you because a lot of videos massively overhype this. A monetized channel with 100,000 views per month earns anywhere from $200 to $2,000 from ads alone. That range comes down to one thing, your niche's CPM, which is how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views. AI tools and tech, $8 to $15 CPM. Personal finance, $12 to $20 CPM. Entertainment, $2 to $8 CPM. The AI tools niche, which is exactly where this channel operates, sits in the highest paying tier on YouTube. That's a strategic advantage from day one. But here's what most videos don't tell you. Ad revenue alone won't get you to $3,000 a month early on. The real income comes from stacking multiple revenue streams, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products on top of your ad earnings. That combination is what changes everything. Here is the complete tool stack to produce a professional faceless video in 2026 most with free plans. 1. Script writing with ChatGPT or Claude. Every great video starts with a great script. Use ChatGPT or Claude to research your topic and write a full structured script. With a detailed prompt, a solid first draft is ready in under 30 minutes. 2. Voiceover by 11 Labs. 11 Labs is the current industry standard for AI voiceover. Natural, emotionally nuanced voices that sound nothing like old text-to-speech. This is what separates professional faceless channels from amateur ones. 3. Video visuals with Higgsfield AI or Pictory. For cinematic AI video clips, Higgsfield AI delivers stunning visuals from text prompts, as covered in our last tutorial. For tutorial-style content, Pictory automatically matches stock footage to your voiceover. Use what fits your style. 4. Editing in CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Bring everything together, add captions, background music, and smooth cuts. Captions are non-negotiable. A huge portion of your audience watches without sound. 5. Thumbnails using Canva or Pixels. Your thumbnail is your billboard. A strong thumbnail can double your click-through rate. Keep text minimal, contrast high, and always communicate the core value of the video at a glance. With this stack, a polished 10-minute video is achievable in 2 to 4 hours, once your workflow is dialed in. And 1. YouTube ad revenue, your baseline income. Qualify at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. In the AI tools niche, expect $8 to $15 CPM. It compounds as your views grow. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is consistently the biggest earner for faceless channels, often exceeding AdSense. Every AI tool you cover has an affiliate program. Drop your unique link in the description and pinned comment. Earn a commission every time someone signs up. One viral tutorial can generate affiliate income for months after publishing. 3. Sponsorships. Once you hit a few thousand engaged subscribers, brands will approach you. In the AI and tech niche, even smaller channels can earn $200 to $1,000 per sponsored segment. You don't need millions of subscribers, you need the right audience. 4. Digital products. The most underused income stream. As your audience grows, so does their trust in you. That trust converts into sales prompt libraries, video templates, channel growth guides, or a full course. Zero fulfillment cost, passive income indefinitely. Layer all four together and $3,000 a month becomes very achievable within 12 to 18 months of consistent uploading. Before I wrap up 4 growth principles, the most successful faceless channels follow. 1. Consistency beats perfection. Post 2 videos a week minimum. The algorithm rewards regular uploaders. Your first 10 videos won't go viral. That's normal. You're building a catalog. 2. Go deep before going wide. Don't try to cover every AI tool. Pick 5 to 10 tools and become the go-to resource for those specific ones. Depth builds authority. Authority builds subscribers. 3. Optimize every upload. Title, thumbnail, description, tags, pinned comment, every element matters before you hit publish. A great video with a weak thumbnail will underperform. A good video with a great thumbnail will outperform it every time. 4. Study your analytics. YouTube tells you exactly what's working. Watch time, click-through rate, impressions. Use these numbers to improve every single video you make. The opportunity here is real. Faceless AI YouTube channels are one of the most accessible ways to build genuine online income in 2026, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. The channels making $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month right now all started exactly where you are. The only difference is they started. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where I break down the best AI tools for building your channel stack in 2026. Drop a comment below. What niche are you thinking about for your faceless channel? I read every single comment and I'll give you my honest feedback. I'll see you in the next one.